Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking, and KB5027397 is not installing. So how to install? And first, what is the troubleshoot to install automatically? Click to start button, then click to setting, in system, scroll down, then guys find out troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and run Windows. Click to run. This troubleshoot to Windows by default run and troubleshoot to your issues. Okay, when it is complete, then close it. Then second solutions, reset your element service. So guys, Windows R, type services.msc, this command to OK, open services, then guys select background intelligent transport service to start and wait few minutes. Okay, and then close. Then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye. Next solution guys, then guys open any browsers to download manually. Okay, so type Microsoft catalog, then enter first link to click. Okay, then guys type KB5017397, then enter. So guys search that. This is why some issues, that's why it's not showing on the Microsoft catalog portal. So if show, so you can download 64-bit. Now this is not showing, so download 64-bit and then install.